OP. When you PvP with me, I will show you my lightning bolt. Did someone say Medusa? Please don't kill my Medusa. I will dash attack you into the air and hit you with my lightning as you struggle to escape me. I will triple attack you and hit you with my palm strike into the air again. Double attack you with my magic bolt. When you roll to recover, I'll be there for you again with my dash attack into the air again. Counterattack me, but I'm ready with my holy sweep. You can't touch this priest because I'm too good for you. Oh, priests are OP when you PvP with me. Oh, I will show you my lightning bolt.